My name is Cody. I'm the lead welder at Mark 7. Always lived in Colorado, born here. My parents actually worked here. My dad started it with Harry Matthews, the original owner. Then my mom worked here. I've had an uncle, a grandpa, both my brothers, and me and my wife currently work here too. As lead welder, I'm responsible to help the other welders underneath me to keep going as smoothly as possible. I make sure they have the parts needed to weld their task. I make sure they have their safety equipment, their PDFs, everything along the lines of that. Outside of work, I like to follow sports, football. I love the Raiders. I like pretty much any sports, but I would call myself a bandwagon with the other ones. We're currently remodeling our house, redoing our whole basement from scratch, so that takes up a lot of our time outside of Mark 7. I like working at Mark 7. It just has a really good family atmosphere. Laid back, a lot of employees like myself, they have family members working here, so it starts becoming more of a family atmosphere than just another office, another employee. My name's Cody, and I make clean cars.